Internet friends, let me show you how to free up some space on your computer if you have Ableton Live. I did this a few days ago and I freed up 12.22 gigabytes. What are you doing, you stupid gigabytes? Get off my computer, I don't need you. Let me explain. Click go and hold Option. Notice Option, or there's the Alt, a little squiggle below Alt called Option. Hold it. See how that makes library appear? Library. Application support, then Ableton, and you'll see something like this. In fact, you won't just see this, you might see some other numbers too. Before I moved it all off my computer, I had all this additional stuff in there too. See all these different versions of Ableton? Look at all these versions of Ableton Live, and whilst each individual one may not be a big dealio, you can see, for example, 192 megabytes, not too bad, but when they all start to add up, you get a much bigger number, in this case 12.22 gigabytes, which is non-negligible. That's a lot of gigabytes, useful to get rid of. Warning, warning, warning. Now, you have to be careful what you delete. So you can see here, for example, I didn't delete the index, or I didn't, actually deletes the wrong, come back to that in a sec. But notice how I didn't delete the index, I didn't delete the library, the database or the reports, and I also didn't delete the latest versions, in this case, Ableton Live 10. All I did was delete the Ableton Live 8 and the Ableton Live 9 files. In Library, Application Support, Ableton. Note, as you can see, I didn't actually delete them. I simply moved them off my laptop. So I have this folder called Ableton, I gave this the name, Ableton Application Support Backup, where instead of deleting, I simply moved it off my computer. So I have tons of storage space, just not on my laptop. So I just moved it off, kept it as a backup. As you can see here, lovely stuff. On the minuscule chance that maybe one day I want to open Ableton Live 9. I'm not quite sure when I would. I can't think of why. But if I wanted to open Ableton Live 9 again, I would need some of these files. So don't delete them if you want to use them, but you can if you don't. That's obvious. But duh brain. Also, stay hydrated. That's key too. Delicious water. Don't just delete things willy-nilly, and I suppose if in doubt, don't delete, just move it somewhere else, stick it on a hard drive. And remember, don't move things like the index, the library, the database, the reports, and I suppose the current versions of Ableton. So just remove the older versions of Ableton, such as say Ableton Live 8 or Ableton Live 9. Probably not, and as you can see, you can free up lots of gigabytes, in this case 12.22, which is lots, very lots, much lots. Catch you guys on the flippity flip.